Now see students, page number 41, exercise 3E. Now see, suppose we subtract 0 from any number, answer will be same. Now see here, 25 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus nothing, 2. So what is answer? 25. Suppose we subtract 0 from this 127. 7 minus 0, 7. This 2 minus nothing as it is. This 1 as it is. Means if we subtract 0 from any number, answer will be that same number. Okay, for example 4-digit number. Suppose we subtract 0 from 1000. 1000 minus 0. 0 minus 0, 0. This 0 as it is, this 0 as it is, this 1 as it is. What is the answer? 1000. So remember, if we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is that number only. Means this 1000 number. Any number which we are subtracting 0 from any number, answer will be this bigger. Now see, we cannot change order in subtraction. For example, see, suppose this is our example, 329 minus 27. So we cannot write like this, 27 minus 329. No, we cannot write like this. We have to write this. What is the question? 329 minus 27. So this is wrong. So what we will do? We will write 329 minus 27. In this way, we have to write down the subtraction. Okay. Because we are subtracting every time smaller number from the bigger number. So we have to write bigger number first and we have to write smaller number below that bigger number, so that we can subtract. Now see, 9 minus 7, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, this 3 as it is. Simply we can write the answer. So in this subtraction, we cannot change the order. Whatever order is given in the textbook, we have to do like that only. Okay. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर, जो बड़ा नंबर है, उसमें से हम हमेशा छोटा नंबर सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं, माइनस करते हैं. छोटे नंबर से बड़ा नंबर हम लोग माइनस नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए जो भी हमको, जैसा भी हमको एग्जाम्पल दिया है 329 माइनस 27, हमें वैसा ही लिखना है. उसके बाद ही हमें उसका आंसर मिल सकता है. You have to remember this rule every time. Okay. Now see your page number 41. What is the question? Without subtracting, fill in the blanks. Now, very simple. Means we have to do only orally. All these example orally. See, we will see one by one. 33 minus 33 equal to how much? 0. See, 33 minus 33, 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. So we can write only 1 0. Only 1 0 also sufficient. That is also correct. Okay. Now see, second question. 45 minus 0. If we are subtracting 0 from any number, what is the answer? That number only. So we have what we will write here? 45. Very simple. Okay. Now see third question. 68 minus 68. So what we will write here? 68 minus 68 equal to 0. Okay. Only 1 0 is sufficient. Don't write 2 0. We can write 1 0. Then also your answer is correct. Okay. Now see fourth question. 75 minus 0. 75 minus 0. What is the answer? 75. So simple. Now see fifth question. 89 minus 89. What is the answer? 0. Sixth question. 79 minus 0. 0. If we are subtracting 0 from any number, what is the answer? That number only. 79. So write down 79. Now see 7th question. 85 minus 0. What is the answer? 85. Now see 8th question. 90 minus which number equal to 0? So what we have to write here? 90 minus 90 equal to 0. Now see 9th question. 146 minus 146 equal to what? 0. Very simple. So write down here 0. Now see 10th question. 235 minus 0 equal to what? 235. Now see 11th question. 328 minus 328 equal to 0. Then 12th question. 877 minus 0 equal to 877. Same number we have to write. Now see 13th question. 191 minus which number equal to 0? 191. So we have to write here 191. So write down 191. Now see 14th question. Dash minus 325 equal to 0. So what is the answer? Which number minus 325 equal to 0? So we have to write here 325. 325 minus 325 equal to how much? 0. So this is our answer. Now see 15th question. 756 minus 0 equal to what? 756. Now see 16th question. Dash minus 196 equal to 0. So again what we have to write? Again we have to write down this number 196. 196 minus 196 equal to how much? 0. Now see 17th question. Dash minus 875 equal to 0. Same thing. Same to same example. So which number we have to write here? 875. 875 minus 875 equal to 0. Now see 18th question. 888 minus 888. How much? 0. So write down here 0. Now 19th question. 778 minus what? Equal to 0. So what is the answer? 778. 778 minus 778 equal to 0. Okay, now see 20th question. 925 minus which number equal to 925? So what we have to write here? 0. 925 minus 0 equal to 925. Okay, now see 21st question. Dash minus 465 equal to 0. So what we have to write here? 465. See, 465 minus 465 equal to 0. So don't get confused. Write down properly all the answers. Now see your page number 42. Exercise 3F. Simplify each of the following. This exercise 3F you have to write in your notebook. So in your notebook you first write down chapter number 3 subtraction exercise 3F. Then write down this question. Simplify each of the following. First question. 432 plus 396 minus 503. So everything write down as it is in your notebook. So we will solve first example. So step by step we have to solve this example. First we will do the addition. 432 plus 396. So in your maths notebook, square are there. So in each box you have to write down each separate number. So like this you will write in your notebook. So do this addition. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 3, 12. Carry 1. Write down the carry in the circle. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So what is the answer? 828. Now you write down here 828 minus 503. So write down each number in each separate box. So you can do all the examples properly. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. So what is our answer? 325. So in this way you will solve all the examples. Now see example number 2. Now see example number 2 is not correct. Means that is having some printing mistake. So we will drop this example number 2. We will write now example number 3. So you write down. Now see your third example is your now example number 2. 534 minus 216 plus 630. So in step 1 we will do the subtraction. So 534 minus 260. 4 minus 6. Not possible. So take 1 from these 3 and you write down here 14. 14 minus 6. 8. Now 3 minus 1. 2. 2 minus 1. 1. 5 minus 2. 3. So what is our answer? 380. So you write down here 318 plus this 630. 630. 8 plus 0, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 3, 9. So this is our answer. Now see fourth example. 852 minus 300 plus 103 minus 257. So we will do one by one, stepwise. Now see 852 minus 300. So write down 852 minus 300. Write down each number in each separate box. 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. So what is the answer? 552. Now write down this 552 here plus 103. So give here plus sign. Write down 103. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So what is our answer? 655. Now write down 655 minus 257. Okay. Now see 5 minus 7 not possible. So take 1 from 5 and write down here 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 5, not possible. So take 1 from this 6 and write down here 1. 14 minus 5 equal to 9. Again 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So 398 is our final answer. Now see sixth question. 200 219 plus 503 minus 398. So we will solve it step by step. 219 plus 503. 9 plus 3, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So what is our answer? 722. So 722 minus this 398. So 2 minus 8, not possible. So take 1 from this 2, write down here 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 9, not possible. So take 1 from this 7. So you write down here 11. 11 minus 9, 2. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So write down the answer 324. Now see 7th question. 563 minus 150 plus 32 minus 176. So we will write first 563 minus 150. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So what is the answer? 430. So you write down here 413. In your notebook you leave one box for second step. Then you write down second step. Now what we have to write here? Plus 32. 413 plus 32. Now do this addition. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. This 4 as it is. So what is our answer? 445. Now 445 minus 176. So we have to do here subtraction. Leave one box for writing this subtraction. Now 5 minus 6. Not possible. So take 1 from this 4. You write down here 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 7. Not possible. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So 269 is our final answer. Now see 8th question. 632 minus 159 plus 268 minus 350. So step by step we will solve this example. 632 minus 159. 2 minus 9. Not possible. So take 1 from this 3 and write down here 12. 12 minus 9, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 5. Not possible. So again take 1 from this 6. Write down here 1. It will become 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 473 is our answer. Then write down 473 plus 268. Now do this addition. 8 plus 3, 11. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So what is our answer? 741. So write down here 741 minus 350. Now do this subtraction. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 5, not possible. So, take 1 from this 7 and write down here 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So, what is our answer? 391. Now see students, question number 9 is having some printing mistake. So we are not doing that question number 9. We will write question number 10 now. What is question number 10? 425 minus 342 plus 649 minus 252. So one by one we will solve this example. 425 minus 342. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 4, not possible. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. What is our answer? 83. Now see 649 plus 83. So 83 is having only 2 digits and 649 having 3 digits. So we will write first 649 because it is having 3 digits. So and now we will write 83 because it is having only 2 digits. So give here addition sign. 9 plus 3, 12, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So what is our answer? 732. Now 732 minus 252. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 5, not possible. So take 1 from this 7 and write down here 30. 30 minus 5, 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So what is our answer? 480.